Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today. I'm tying another little wet fly for you. This is a Coch y Bonddu. It's a very old beetle imitating soft hackle or spider. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon and the PayPal for anybody who is interested in supporting the channel and getting access to the giveaways. So, got my hook and my vise. This is a full and mill, all-purpose medium weight, and this is a 16. Got to wax my thread. Just a couple of pulls through the wax is fine. And then just get the thread started right at the eye. Trim away the waist, and I'll get some double-sided mylar, silver gold, small size, probably about a 14 if you're using uni. For this size of fly, and I'm going to run the thread back, tie that off until I'm just a bit level with the barb. Right. Normally on a spider, the body should be no further back than between the point and the barb. Because this is just a wee tag, I go a little bit further back. A tiny spot of super glue on the thread, and then just wind over it. This will stick it down, it will protect it, and it will stop it from getting pulled off by a fish's teeth. Catch that in, a couple of turns is enough to hold it. Trim your waist away about the length of the body. Then we're going to get some Peacock. Two strands for this size of fly. Catch it in, same length, and I'll tidy up. I'm going to bring my thread back down, right, to the tie-in point for that peacock herl. Because to make the fly a bit more durable, I'm going to twist the peacock around my thread, and then I'm just going to wind a nice wee buggy body. Stop there. Now this is a size 16, so I only used 2. If I was tying any bigger, I would go up to 3. Maybe even 4 if I was going much bigger. So I've tied that off. I'm just going to throw in a half hitch, right, just to sort of lock everything. And it means, you know, you've got exposed thread and all that. If the body does break, the fly won't immediately disintegrate. You might be able to get another couple of fish out of it. So the hackle for the Coch y Bonddu is supposed to be a Coch y Bonddu hen on the wet, but it's very difficult to find Coch y Bonddu. You know, you might get the occasional one that's sort of thrown up by accident and is labelled as a furnace, but furnace is the one you're probably going to have to use. And this is just from an Indian hen, just a cheap hen neck. You don't want to be using expensive hackles for these. I mean, you could, but there's no need. And actually, the Indian hens are probably better. So, I tied that in by the tip, The tip was really short, so I didn't fold it back. Although I would like to normally. I'm just going to fold the hackle. Wind it. One turn just in front of the other. And it depends on the hackle. You might need 3 turns, maybe 4. So, I mean, these are the beetle imitations, so they can be a bit heavier than what many people call the classic North Country spider. It's just a wee bit twisted on me, so I'm going to go back and try that again. That's better, I think. Yes. Just sweep every turn. Until you've got enough. Go there, there we go. Fold your hackle over your thread. Oops. Now my hackle just snapped at a very inopportune moment, but I can save it. Just catch it, put it tight. I mean, you could just tie another one in, but just come over. I'm only losing 3 hackle barbs, which I think is acceptable. Maybe 4. Then I'll just fold that, tie over it. And it's saved, and you can't see, and I can't see anyway, that wee bit of stem. But there you go. You can primp your hackle out a wee bit if you want, but I'll set something like this in the water. Right, they don't collapse, as many people seem to think they do. Just tidy the head. There we go. Quick finish. And you're done. 3's plenty. I like that. There you have it, the Coch y Bonddu. Very, very good little pattern when small beetles are on the water. As I say, tie them 12 to 16. Plenty. Just varnish the head. One coat's plenty. I don't really worry about building up wee shiny heads on these. So there you go. Very simple. Very, very effective fly. So I hope that was useful. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks guys. Bye.